Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on Vinted. Vinted is a fantastic online marketplace where you can discover unique pre-loved fashion and home goods, and PayPal offers a secure and convenient way to handle your transactions. Whether you're buying that perfect vintage dress or selling items from your closet, understanding how to link and utilize PayPal will make your experience smooth and worry-free. Let's dive into the details and get you set up. Linking your PayPal account to Vinted is a straightforward process. First, head over to your profile settings within the Vinted app or website. Look for the Payments section and then select Add Payment Method. You'll see an option for PayPal. Choose that. You'll then be securely redirected to the PayPal website to log in and confirm the connection. After a quick authorization, your PayPal account will be seamlessly integrated and ready to use for your Vinted transactions. When you found that perfect item on Vinted, buying with PayPal is incredibly easy. At the checkout page, after adding your desired item to your cart, simply select PayPal from the list of payment options. You'll then be securely redirected to log into your PayPal account to authorize the payment. This method not only offers convenience, but also provides robust buyer protection, giving you peace of mind for every purchase you make on the platform. For sellers, receiving your earnings via PayPal is just as simple. Once your item is sold and the transaction is complete, the funds will first appear in your Vinted balance. From there, you can easily initiate a transfer of these funds directly to your linked PayPal account. These transfers usually take about 1 to 3 business days to process. This provides a secure and efficient way to access your earnings, making selling on Vinted even more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.